ready to go to my 6-week post-op follow-up appointment. Now, I've had physical therapy just about every week, but I haven't seen my doctor for several weeks. So he is going to be checking me out today after my physical therapy is over. And if my physical therapist thinks that I'm making really good progress, then my doctor may authorize me to start walking with an ankle brace instead of an ankle boot or instead of a walking boot, which would be big progress because it means I could start driving, which would be amazing. I can only go anywhere if someone comes and picks me up. So I've been housebound for like 6 weeks. This is a lace-up ankle brace. I have been wearing it on the ice for months, actually, just to give my ankle some added support out there so I don't keep rolling it. And so they asked me to bring it along with 2 shoes just in case. And I've got my tennis shoes. I'm going to be wearing my tennis shoes because they're one of the only shoes I have that actually fit around the giant lace-up ankle brace. So I'm going to be headed in there. Hopefully all the physical therapy I've been doing at home pays off, and he says that I've made big progress.
Any thoughts about this being my last time potentially in a boot?
I am so excited to see you up and at it and closer to being on the ice again.
Wonderful. That was great. Because it looks like the source of soreness that was causing you to have to hesitate is not as severe. Okay, so let's see why. See you guys do it. Yeah, and then say anything.
I don't know why I feel like I stomach can't walk.
Okay. I'm thinking that of all the things we do in terms of getting back to skating, that's probably the thing we gotta get down really good before we get on skates.
So just got back from the doctor's office, got some really good news. The physical therapist was really pleased with how much improvement I've made in the last couple weeks, and he has cleared me to walk on my own 2 feet again, using the ankle brace somewhat, as I need it. But the big thing is that means I can now drive again, which means freedom. And I am cleared to go back to modified work duty this week, which means I can go and see my students again. I'll be sitting from the side at first, but at least I could get to go in there and start doing my job again. So that's great. Good news. So I'm back here on the side, teaching from the side again. It's definitely some deja vu. This is the 3rd time I've taught from the side of the rink this year, but I just felt like it would be better to play it safe with my ankle and not overdo it. I have lots of experience, so I know what I'm doing, and my students are so awesome, and they're being really cool about it. So it's all working out great.
We're back! Aww.
This is my coach.
Yes, this is my student. Hi!
So just got done with my first day coaching here back at the rink. Sat at the side the whole time, just stood up a couple times to demonstrate things here or there, but pretty much stayed sitting on the side. I didn't want to wear myself out my first day back to the rink. You know, that wouldn't be a good idea. I have only been walking for like a day and a half on my own without the boots, so trying to be smart. But it was great to see my students, and they were all happy to see me and got lots of hugs. It was very sweet. And it was good to see that they've been working hard and making progress while I've been gone. But it's good to be back. It's good to be back to doing what I do. And it won't be too long till I'm doing it in skates. So that is definitely something to look forward to. So I actually meant to post this video a while ago. It's taken me a while to get it up online. Honestly, my excitement about getting back out into the world and back to the ice rink and seeing all my students was very short-lived. It was less than a week since I got the okay to take that walking boot off and drive and get back to some things in life when it seems like everything has begun shutting down. We're living in a crazy time right now with the COVID-19 virus, and along with so many rinks around the country and the world, my rink has closed just to keep everything safe and do our part in creating some separation between people so that we're not infecting each other. So I am back at home. I am just trying to use my time wisely and be productive, and hopefully I can use this time to come up with some creative content for you for right now while we're in this isolation, and also for the future when we get back out on the ice. I hope to have a whole plan for all kinds of awesome things that I can bring you. I ask that you all just be as safe as possible. I hope you are well. I hope that all your families and your loved ones are healthy, and I just look forward to seeing you all back out on the ice when all of this is over. In the meantime, let's connect. I love reading all your comments in the section down below. And if you haven't yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see more content when it comes out.